Hi there, this is J3. Welcome to the Jungle Blog in VS Code Part 4. Go to medium.com jungletronics and click right here at this episode of my Jungle Blog VS Code. Okay, let's get it on. Go to this page right here and make it completely at to the end, and you see in your browser or localhost this program. Okay, running. Okay, let's return to the blog and go to straight to the code. Go to the blog, review if file. This is the directory of my project to here. This is the blog, and here is all the artifact. This is the template about base home. This is Jungle project. Okay, this the file, and let's go to the step 1. Fine. Create a brand new app called users underline hub. Let's get it on. I'm using users underline hub called Jungle users already. Let's paste it to the terminal and hit enter. And there you have it. User hub app is up and running. Step 2, Jungle project settings.py and register your app there. Copy this and go to the Jungle. Let's see, where is here's Jungle settings.py and go to the install app, and right at the end, Control C and hit save. Fine. This is the registration of your newly app. Step 3, go to inside user hub view.py and create this file, new file. Let's copy this piece of code and let's go to the user hub view. Okay, user hub view. User, where is user? Here it is. And let's go to the view. Where is the view.py? Yes, right here. Yes. Now let's paste it. Let's hit save. And there you have it. This is the method, register method, that make a form, a instance of the form created by Jungle, and the render will return in the contest this form. We have to create the template register.html. Let's get it on. Step 4, create this folder structure. Okay, let's go to the users underline hub templates, user underline hub. This is a Jungle convention. Let's create a new folder, templates, right here. Find another folder inside templates, and let's call it users underline hub. Hit enter, and inside here let's create a folder and a file, and let's type register.html. Hit enter, and let's go to the tutorial and let's copy this HTML, Control C, and close this. Let's Control V and hit save. And there you have it. Here is the template that will render this form that will be passed by these views. Fine. Right, fine. This is the submit button, and this is the anchor tag that asks the user if it has already have an account. Let's go on, return to the tutorial, fine. Step 6, go to Jungle Project urls.py and add this snippet code. Let me show you. Copy this. Let's go to let's close this up and let's go to the Jungle. Let's see, Jungle Project URLs, and let's paste this right here, and let's copy this one, the register path. The URL is now save it right now. This is when the user type register in the HTML. And now step 7, let's run the code and see if everything is fine. Let's go to the terminal, type Python, manage.py, run server, hit enter, and hope for the best. Go there in the localhost, and now let's point to the register, and there you have it. Everything is fine. The registration form is fine, but it's a bit ugly. We have to fix it. Let's continue our tutorial. Let's go to the tutorial step 8. Let's boost our user. Let's open again view.py. Let's copy all this so that we do not have any error, typo, and let's paste it right here and let's save it. And let's see, everything is fine. What we did here, if the method is post, we save a form that was populated, and then we validate the form and we save it. Then we pass the username so that the user can know what to do now. Now, step 9, go to template base HTML and paste this snippet code so that we can see the message, the error message in our page. Okay, let's copy this and let's go to the base HTML template base HTML, and inside the div, the content block. Okay, let me see again. Let's copy this and let's paste it right here. Save it. Fine. And let's continue our tutorial. Step 10. Let's install Crispy Form. Install by typing in the terminal this. Let's Control C and let's let's paste it right here. Pip install Jungle Crispy Forms. Wait for the installer, and there you have it. Now let's go to the project settings.py and let's register Crispy as a new app right here. Let's copy this piece of code right here. Let's copy this and let's paste it in the end of install apps. Let's save it. Fine, let's continue. Go to the very end of the settings.py and paste it right. This piece of code that is a crispy config. Fine, now we have to go to the template user register, and let me close this template user register, close this. Let's go to the, let me see, the user hub, yes, template register, and let's paste, copy this at the top right here. Fine, and the last thing to do is to filter the form for crispy work. And that is all. Fine. Let's continue and let's run the server now and see if everything is fine. Yes. Let's go to the register, hit enter, and there you have it. Yes, the register is now much better. Let's try to register user test 2. Password 1, password 2, and sign up. And oops, there is an error here. Let's see what we have here. Yes, I think this is the error. This is not action, man. This is method. Let's save it and let's hope for the best. Let's Control C, run the server again, and let's go. Let's close all the windows and let's go again to the to our localhost register, and let's try again, and I think it's fine. Let's try user test 2, now password 1, testing 321, testing 321, sign up, and there you have it. Now everything is fine. The account is created. Let's see in the dashboard admin and see if this user was created. Yes, this was created, but we do not have the email. Let's fix it in the next step of this tutorial. Step 12, create a new file, forms.py, inside your user underline hub. Copy this piece of code and go to the, let me see, okay, I have to create a forms.py. Go there, let's go there right here. Let's create a new file. Let's call it forms.py. Hit enter and paste it and save it. And there you have it. We are extending user creation form and call it with user register. Now, step 13, let's modify our user underline hub user views.py to replace the user creation form to user register form. We just make right here. Okay, let's go there to this method, and what we have to make is to add the validation forms, as you can see in this code, because we have another email fields that we are extending the forms. Okay, now let's see how to implement this in the code. Go to, let me see, views.py. Okay, now let's copy this piece of code right here. Let's comment out this user creation form and let's copy and paste. Let me see this name and let's replace it here and here too. And let's save it and hope for the best. Let's go there and see if everything is fine. Let's go. Let's go to the register. Okay, let's go to the admin and let's delete this user so we will create it again. Let's go to the register now and let's register user 2 again. Now we have the email field and let's make it a t2company.com password testing 321 again testing 321 sign up and there you have it. Now let's go to the admin management and see if we create this user. Yes, everything is all right. The user 2 was created, fine. Now let's log out and let's go to the home page again and let's continue our tutorial and let's test it out. We have tested. Now we are finishing. Let's make the last test here. Let's try to use a gibberish and see if this template, if this form is working fine. Unknown user, fine. Unknown user, email, any email. And let's make a password and let's type any number here, any number here too. Let's sign up. Fine. The two password field didn't match. And that's it. Thank you very much. You join me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend viewers. Subscribe. Special to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.